In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Hostinger webmail in just a few simple steps. Whether you're new to Hostinger or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can access your emails without a hitch. First, let's bring your idea online with Hostinger by heading to their website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering hostinger.com in the address bar. It's a straightforward step but essential, as you'll need to access the main website to proceed further. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the web page where you'll find the login button. Click on login to proceed. Now, it's important to note that for any login issues, double check whether you're entering the correct credentials associated with your Hostinger account. It's always helpful to keep your login information secure and handy for such tasks. After successfully logging into your account, you'll be redirected to the main Hostinger dashboard. This area, often referred to as Home, is where you manage all aspects of your Hostinger services. It's a central hub for your account activities and setups. Once you're comfortably settled on the home page, it's time to dive into the email-specific part of the dashboard. Look for the email section in the dashboard and click on Manage. This section is dedicated to all email-related controls and configurations. Keep in mind this might look different depending on the Hostinger layout updates, but rest assured the Manage option leads you to exactly what we need: a comprehensive view of your email settings. Upon reaching the Manage Emails page, find and click on Email Accounts. This is an intuitive part of the panel where you'll see a list of all the email accounts associated with your domain. Identifying this section correctly is crucial, as any further navigation hinges on accessing your email accounts properly. Next, once you're in the Email Accounts tab, you should see an option labelled Webmail. Click on Webmail to proceed. This will take you directly to the Hostinger Webmail client interface. It's an important transition because once inside the Webmail window, you're essentially at the doorstep of your email inbox. Finally, in the Hostinger Webmail interface, locate the button that says Mail and give it a click. This will open your inbox, presenting you with all your incoming messages. And there you have it. You're now ready to manage your emails directly from Hostinger's webmail service. This step-by-step guide aims to make accessing your Hostinger email intuitive and hassle-free. If you follow these steps closely, you should have no trouble diving into your inbox and navigating through your emails with ease. Feel free to revisit any part of this guide whenever needed, and soon enough, accessing your Hostinger webmail will become second nature.